Hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Welcome back to Kesaria Textile Family. I hope all are safe and doing great. Friends, today also brought for you the unique varieties, but along with the products, I want to share some business ideas. So keep watching this video. These products are very demanded at the market and you can purchase and you can buy at factory price with the wholesale, I can say, with many more set to set with the right manufacturers. Kesaria, you can contact, subscribe the channel for the regular updates. You can easily purchase COD, advance online payments. You can purchase by COD, online payments also you can do it, pan India plus worldwide. So these collections, if we talk about, these are the western wear. No matter today I'm wearing a sari, which is a fancy saris. These saris are, if I talk about, these are fancy chiffon, lightweight fancy saris, which is a lace has been worked out here. But through the sari, I brought for you the unique western wear collections. I was doing the video for Tamil, Telugu, even for the Kannada. So I felt like this collections also I can share with you. And these collections having a huge profit if I talk about the business profit. If you want to invest, you want to put some store or western wear like showroom, you can really plan. If you're a retired person, you can invest around 3 lakhs and 1 lakh stock you can purchase. You can, if you're really put up out of India or you're located at India, according to the city or the metro cities around your location, you can buy such products. But western wear from youngsters, college girls, working women also are demanding. I want to show you the few collections. In the market, these collections western wear lesser than 1500 we can't purchase. Hope you're also purchasing according to your city, but if you normally go and buy one t-shirts, it's not lesser than 350 rupees. We can't get one good quality with the fabric, right? If you accept, say, let me know at the comment box. But I want to show you the t-shirts which are getting manufactured, which starts from 90 to 100 rupees. I have around 300 bucks of collections, many more varieties in 300 rupees. I want to show you just samples. You can plan for your business investment. So these are the cropped or fancy settle colors of the t-shirts. All these varieties you can easily purchase. All are free sizes. Okay. And if you want the collar pattern also, the mini crop tops with the dark colors, this is also one of the pattern. If, mostly in the metro cities, these t-shirts not lesser than 350 to 400 rupees. Sure, I can tell you, but the manufacturers are giving you at factory price. That's why you have to travel to come to Surat. Surat is one of the diamond city which is located at Gujarat. That's why you have to visit, and diamond is exporting to many countries. If you want to know, you can research, you can take a feedback of the Surat, how the Surat is having a textile market, diamond market. No, when you want to have a vacation, you can have a Surat and you can see many more textile markets over here. So here is a one more fancy top for the jeans or the plazos for the slim girls, college girls, tuition girls, they prefer. And the fabric, if I talk about the quality and quantity, you have to check with the right manufacturer and you have to invest and you have to start the business. Okay, the next pattern, which is the only zip pattern with the full sleeves, the multicolor printed, this is one of the pattern. You can also purchase this collections in the fancy tassels has been given. So for the fancy, for the jeans or the 3/4 plazos, you have a, even for the kurtas, plazos also we have a fancy with the plain come stonework pattern with the cotton bunion and with the georgette based, so crush based fabrics. All these varieties you can purchase around within 300 rupees. So this is also one of the pattern, crush based, a light settle color of the simple sober. See, these are highlighted with a silver color. So this is one of the pattern. All these collections you can take a screenshot and you can contact our Kesaria manufactures through online video calling purchase also we are providing, and even international sea services, cargo services also you can plan. If you are located in Singapore, Malaysia, Canada or USA, so clothing store or this such varieties also demanded there those countries, because there is a one culture. India is having one culture of saris most demanded, but still today the culture and tradition trending has been changed, getting updated. Technology how the way is getting updated, the cloths also people are demanding for the new unique varieties, right? So now I'm going to show you the two-piece concept. Two-piece we have such a beautiful with the collar pattern with the fabric designed half white checks pattern you can see here, and this is a trouser with the matching collection. So this is a beautiful with the lining also, very beautiful on the celebrity pattern where such exclusive collections you can purchase. In this also we have a colors. You need only shirt pattern with the collar, only light color. Here is a, see, it's like a kurta or is a coat shirts I can say here. So this is one of the pattern with the lining over given here. It's a very lightweight and comfortable fabric I can say. So this is a bottom pant. In this also you have a colors with the sizes XL, L, no. You just take a screenshot. In this pattern on lot, 2-piece concept for all these varieties with the settled printed colors. If I talk about this variety, such a beautiful pattern with the net based floral design and the puffy hands you can see here, the multiple layers has been given here. So this is one of the pattern. So almost is a stylish pattern, and this is a trouser. The trouser is having a beautiful stitch. So it looks while you're traveling, you're getting hangout, you're going outside with the weekend parties. Such collections are preferred for the youngsters and college girls, even working women. Market is keep updating, and the manufacturers also finding out the new collections. And these collections are having a heavy demand. These collections are not lesser than 3,000, 4,000 bucks at the market. But you want to know the price? Today I've showed you all around 800 rupees of factory price. The base price I'm showing, I'm telling you, but I'm not mentioned here the exact price. Don't get confused, my friends. And many retailers are tied up with us and they're doing business and they're buying purchase. That's why I'm not sharing the prices. If you want to know the price, take a screenshot, talk to our online team and you can find out. If I talk about the next pattern, such a beautiful one-piece concept over here. See, this is a one piece which is a stretchable with the mini print of the floral base with the full sleeves. This is the design on the fabric which has given multiple layers. You can see the marks you can see over here. This is a design coat done on the fabric. So this is on the georgette base which has come. Long gown pattern I can say here. This is a one piece. Even the belt is also there on the same color. See, this is also one of the pattern. It looks like this. Okay, so next pattern, only with the slim body fitting long one piece gown with the fancy with the butterfly sleeves I can say here. Okay, this is a black with white printed. Okay, multicolor. The black is most favorite girls colors. On this also you have a pattern of many more varieties. All these exclusive collections you can purchase only from Kesaria manufacturers. If I talk about the highest price is 800 to 900,000 rupees you can see. So I can only say take a screenshot. If you are really interested only on the western west segment, you can have a plan. You can plan a clothing store, a shop, a showroom, according even the online also you can tie up many more, having a many ideas to start your clothing store business. But the investment, depend on the investment, you can plan your business. To get succeed, be independent, rather being a salaried, you can have a side business also. So that's what I mean to say. And friends, if you're really interested to start or invest on the clothing store, please visit Kesaria Manufacturers, which is located at Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building 1 first floor. Morning 9:30 to 8:30 your shop we operate. From airport it takes just 30 minutes. From railway station it takes 10 minutes. We have a pickup of facilities. You have further information, please follow the website page, social media pages. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting. Next video I'll meet up with new more collections with business informations. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।